Hi friends, I got a new mouse, wireless mouse that I bought for my office. It's the Logitech G305. I like it because it's an easy to set up mouse. Still, you get all the options of a, medium range mouse. You can program different buttons, the speed of the mouse reaction. You have these two side buttons, this circle one here, another button here, and of course the left and right buttons. You can change the battery here easily, and this is the accessory that should be in the USB port of the computer. If for any reason your computer is far away, you could use this USB port extender, so you have the receiver nearby your mouse. Okay, so that's it. Easy to use. Let's try it. The basic configuration is the same as your system mouse configuration. You have 3 extra buttons right now. Well, the scrolling circle, that is an extra, and these 3 buttons. In the preset configurations, this small button will change in 4 steps the speed of the mouse. This is a regular one. If you click it once, it will do it really slow, twice, 3, and 4 will return to the regular one, okay? And the side buttons right now, depends on the application. For example, in Chrome, you will go forward with the front button and backwards with the back button in your navigating pages, okay? But remember, these 3 buttons, even the scroll one, can be reconfigured in any app that you want and that has the ability to configure mouse buttons. For example, we use Final Cut Pro to edit videos, and we configure our buttons for specific tasks that we like to in our mouse. So if you need a new mouse, this is an affordable one, really nicely sized for, it is comfortable for my hand, and you can configure some features that makes it really, really useful. Thank you.